Tonight's job is St Peter's Church near Chertsey. 1 metre wheel planer, sweeper, 2 lorries. The digger's just clearing out the edges now for us, so you can see the curbs. Hopefully it won't be too late. Only about 50mm deep, deeper in places. Some places going down to the concrete. So looks good. That's that bit of road done. So, and now we're doing the roundabout in the island towards the entrance. That's it, last couple of cuts and then we're finished. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one. Bye.